Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we will discover 5 key sentences to start speaking Luxembourgish. If you are looking to speak Luxembourgish fast, here are some common and useful phrases to help you. Sentence number 1, heesche Jean-Paul. My name is Jean-Paul. Exactly, I'm called Jean-Paul. The first sentence is heesche Jean-Paul. That means my name is Jean-Paul. The sentence is written in the title, read it to retain it well. In Luxembourgish, there's a little rule here. The final N of a word is sometimes deleted. For example, we would rather say heesche Jean-Paul and not heeschen Jean-Paul. Heesche Jean-Paul, heesche Jean-Paul. Sentence number 2. Wie heeschst du? What's your name? Literally, how are you called? The second sentence is to ask someone his name. The sentence is written there in the title. Read it to retain it well. Wie heescht du, which means what's your name? Wie heescht dir, when you use the polite form. Wie heescht du? Wie heescht dir? Sentence number 3. Wie geht het? How are things going? The third sentence is essential to engaging a conversation. Wie geht het? That means, how is it going? It's a very easy phrase to use when meeting people. As always, read the sentence to retain it well. Wie geht het? Wie geht het? Sentence number 4. Wo wohnt ihr? Wo wohnt ihr? Where do you live? Another useful question is, wo wohnt ihr? That means, where do you live? We use here wohnen, a regular verb, but very common in everyday conversation. Sentences are written in the title, read to retain. Remember, dir is the polite form of du. Wo wohnst du? Wo wohnt ihr? Sentence number 5. Schwätzt dir Lëtzebuergesch? Do you speak Luxembourgish? Finally, a very important question. Schwätzt dir Lëtzebuergesch? Do you speak Luxembourgish? Read the sentence to retain it well. The verb schwätzen is placed here in the first place, so at the beginning of the sentence, because this is a yes-no question. Schwätzt dir Lëtzebuergesch? Schwätzt dir Lëtzebuergesch? That's it for now. You now have 5 key phrases to get you started in Luxembourgish. If you want to go further, I invite you to check out my online Luxembourgish courses. You will be able to learn at your own pace in online classes 2 times a week and get personalized lessons in your dedicated online classroom. If you like this video, leave me a comment and share it with your friends and your family, of course. See you soon for more Luxembourgish language tips and lessons, and keep an eye on your inbox for the next Luxembourgish discovery lesson. Bye bye, talk soon.